Euromelanoma is the largest European campaign on skin cancer prevention that aims to give information about skin cancer and all the awareness around skin cancer. It was initiated in Belgium in 1999 with a small dermatological group of Belgian dermatologists, and it spread from 2000 in Europe, and now we reach more than 39 countries. Now we moving from 30 to 33 countries participating to this campaign every year. As always, we have a new campaign that aims to give awareness on skin cancer, on primary, secondary, and tertiary prevention. And this year, in 2023, so I'm preparing the next campaign, it will be targeting teenagers. So we want to increase the awareness about skin cancer prevention, but on the primary prevention level. Prevention is about every skin cancer, and it's also the aim of Euromelanoma. It's not only targeting melanoma, even if the name suggests that it's related to melanoma. No, we're targeting all skin cancer. It's the second time, but the first time was a long time ago, and we decided that it's a need, certainly, to target again this population that is difficult to target. The message that we are delivering is at a different level. At the level of the primary prevention, it's more on the causal aspect of skin cancer. This is the exposure, mainly on children age or the teenager, or even later. A secondary prevention is based on early detection. It is also the role of a dermatologist that the dermatologist can play. The dermatologist is the one who's the specialist that can really target the best the early diagnosis. And tertiary prevention is more related to the patient who had already the diagnosis, but the follow-up that he needs to have. It's not really a day, it's mainly a month. It's mainly based in spring, where we begin to increase the awareness, because it's the time that people are thinking about sun exposure, and so it's more related to spring. Euromelanoma is a campaign led by dermatologists, and I think it's fantastic for the image of dermatology to say that dermatologists are really the ones who are diagnosing skin cancer on the earliest time. So this is a really important element for the dermatologist. Also, dermatologists are playing an extremely important role in detecting early cancer, and certainly for melanoma. In fact, I'm coordinating for Europe, and every country is initiating locally his own campaign, and it's led by a local dermatologist. We have a website, and every country has its own website to communicate all the information. So every year we develop a new material with a new image of the campaign. And this is a poster that can be present in the office. It's also leaflets, and also the website that makes the awareness also present for the public. And then it's a whole campaign on social media that is developed, because I think we have to be in the level of the time. So the work of Euromelanoma Europe is ahead, because we're preparing the campaign. We have the meeting with all the chair in November, and the campaign starts, in fact, in January, where we spread the information to the press, the newspaper, but it has different level and different time, with a highest time in May. So, as you know, Euromelanoma was associated with a free screening in many countries. And this concept with the pandemic changed a lot. And we tried to develop a registry. This name is EUSCAP. And the idea of this registry is really to have good information about the patient, but also the histology of the patient, of the previous cancer, to build a registry on skin cancer risk. This is the force of Euromelanoma. Euromelanoma is a network of dermatologists all over Europe We have people in many countries. So the idea is that this initiative will spread in all Europe and to bring finally a large registry on Europeans on skin cancer risk.
That's great. So, like in psoriasis, for example, do you have a particular message to deliver to the public, to dermatologists who will be...
To the public or to the dermatologists?
The dermatologists, because they will be watching the videos in Skin Alliance. So our public of Skin Alliance, you have a particular message to deliver.
Yes, I think this is a campaign that has been led by dermatologists and where the dermatologist is playing a role. And I would like to thank particularly all the dermatologists from all over Europe to participate actively to this campaign since so long.